Yes, I'm Andre and I love garlic. I've been doing this for a little while now. I've given out lots of samples to people. I've had fantastic comments about it and reviews, so I need to make more for myself because I'm going to be using it in other things, but I figured, you know what, let's do a video on it and show you start to finish. It is super simple to do, and let's just dive in. I picked up some local garlic. I have that here. I've got my trusty knife, and just to get into it, I've got this restaurant tray with holes in it. The reason I'm using this is because the grates on my smoker, the holes are just too big, and you'll see why, because the garlic's kind of small and you don't want it falling through. Anyways, this is going to be the hard part of this, really, is taking the garlic apart and cleaning it up. It's nice if you can find local garlic. It's usually bigger. I'm going to take the ends off, take the peel off, and now I'm going to tell you now, I am going to cut these all in half. I have tried this before and I've left them whole. And when you get to the dehydrator stage, which is after the smoking, they take forever. So what I'm going to do is just take it. It's hard to show you here. And I'm going to cut it down. So here's the clove, and I'm going to just cut it in half like that. Reason being, does two things. It gives you more surface area for the smoke to stick to, and when you throw these in the dehydrator, there's all that extra surface area for that water to evaporate from. And I might as well show you now, any bigger pieces like this, I'm gonna just actually cut in 3. 1, 2, and 3. And that way you get nice thinner pieces. They're going to smoke good and they're going to dry really good. Finally done. And I'm going to say, if you don't want to peel it yourself and you really don't care where the garlic comes from, go to your local Asian or ethnic supermarket and they usually have peeled garlic for you. Buy that. It's simple. You're going to save yourself peeling, but still cut it in half. There we go. It's going in the smoker now, and I'm going to leave it in there for 1.5 to 2 hours at 200, and then I'll be back. This is 2 hours. They look fantastic. Lots of color. They've lost a lot of moisture already. Still a long ways to go, but let's load up the trays. It wasn't as important in that step, but this step we're going to make sure that they're all one layer, not overlapping. So okay, got them loaded. It only took 2 levels, so what we're going to do now is load it up and put these guys back. That one on, the lid, and we're going to start it. It's going to go, I'm going to let it go all night. It's going to be at about 135 Fahrenheit. And I'm just going to let it run all night. I will check it again tomorrow morning. Fingers crossed they're where I want them to be. If not, they're just going to go till they're done. We're finally done. One thing using a dehydrator, you never know how long it's going to take. It was a long one, but I think it's well worth it. And let's show you guys. So this is what we have. They are nice and hard. They're bone dry. That's exactly what we want to make a powder. I'm just going to put them in a bowl and make it easier to work from. There you go, a nice close-up. That's your smoked and dehydrated garlic now. So I'm just going to load some in and grind away. Oh, look at that. That smells fantastic. Wow. I have a nice little jar here and transfer it. Oh, look at that. That's just such nice powder. And I've given samples out because in the meantime I've been trying to make some and to get to this point, and all the feedback has been fantastic, so I think I'm onto something. So I'm gonna grind the rest and then come back and show you actually how much we got. If you see here, it is powder. That's fantastic. Yes, it's a labor of love. It takes a while to do, but you know you end up with a fantastic product. The flavor of this stuff is crazy. I can't wait. I'm going to be using this in some sausage recipes that I have coming up, or just other dishes. Something you got to try. Forgot something. I'm just going to take a wee bit here. If you like garlic and you like smoke, you will really like that. That's pretty awesome. The nice thing about doing it yourself, you know exactly what's in it. There's no garbage, no other chemicals, whatever. And you can say you did it yourself. And on that note, thanks for watching. I hope you had fun with this. Go and do it. And like always, happy eating.